guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification, give us a huge thumbs up if you like it. So guys, we will show you the newest car in the world. So see you later. Okay guys, we are outside. We have to put our mask on. So now let's show you the cars. Let's go. Okay, so we are at the first car here. It is called, let's see it, car wheel. Let's see, it is a Toyota. Look at that. Okay, now let's show you
It's
the
the
cars.
oldest car in the world.
Okay guys, look at this. Does it look cool? Comment down below. Okay, let's go to the next car. Okay guys, we are at the second car right now. So this is called,
it's a Buffalo.
Ford. It's called Ford. So this car is really good, but let's show you inside. Okay guys, see it. Is it cool? Comment down below. So let's go to the next car. Okay guys, that we were saying, so this is the newest car in the world. So
The Rolls-Royce is the first one.
show
This is the second
you.
one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the car's name is
Nissan.
X-Trail Nissan. So let us show you the X-Trail. This is the X-Trail logo. You can see it is Nissan. Look, you can see it right here. No, and N-I-S-S-A-N, Nissan. So guys, if you put this comment, we'll give away AirPods or these masks. You know,
Let's go.
or masks.
Hey,
Okay.
Mama,
What?
let's go under.
No, we don't have the car keys, guys. It's actually ours, guys. It's actually ours.
It's designed.
What? Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, in that video I showed you. So look at this. It has this monster truck attached. It doesn't move, but it a little bit. Yeah.
I had
Okay.
a
So
monster truck.
we will show you inside of the car. Okay, guys, see it. 1, 2, 3. Boom. See that, guys? If you want to comment X-Trail, please comment. If you want to comment Ford, please comment. If you want to,
If you want,
toy.
if you comment Nissan, we will give you an iPhone.
Mask, not iPhone.
Oh my gosh!
And if you want to write Toyota, please comment down below. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. See you guys later.
It's
Bye.
3 minutes.
Bye.